Hello, I'm Maria Silva, and today I want to share with you the journey that changed my life. Like you, I struggled for years to control my blood sugar. Diets failed, medications drained my bank account, and my health only worsened. If you're tired of living on this emotional roller coaster, keep reading, because I finally found a solution that changed everything. When I discovered Gluco Care, I must admit I was skeptical. I had tried so many things that didn't work, and my hope was almost fading away. But something about this product intrigued me. It was different. It was natural. And it promised real results, without the side effects that left me bedridden so many times before. I decided to give it a chance, and it was the best decision I ever made. Since I started using Gluco Care, my life has changed dramatically. My blood sugar levels are finally stable and predictable, and I've never felt better. Not only that, but I've regained my freedom. Now I can enjoy meals without fear, participate in family events without worries, and live every moment as if it were the last. If you're tired of living on the edge, constantly worried about your health and not enjoying life as you should, Gluco Care may be the answer you've been looking for. Imagine waking up every morning with energy and vitality, without worrying about the ups and downs of blood sugar. Imagine being able to enjoy every meal without fear of what will happen next. Imagine finally taking control of your life and living fully, like I did. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Try Gluco Care today and discover for yourself the incredible benefits it can offer. Not only will you be investing in your own health and well-being, but you'll be taking a brave step towards a life without limitations. Click the link below to learn more and start your journey towards a healthier and happier life today. Don't wait any longer. Be like me and so many others who have found a real solution for blood sugar control. You deserve it. Your health deserves it. Your freedom deserves it. Try Gluco Care now and transform your life forever.